Okay, so today I'm going to give you a day trading formula using parabolic SAR. You know what parabolic SAR is, how it works. I'm introducing a new element into this formula, and that is MACD. If you haven't seen my MACD videos, I suggest you go see them again. Now, there's one element of MACD which is called the MACD histogram. It represents the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. So when the histogram is positive, it means the MACD line is greater than the signal line, which is a sign of strength. Once again, go back and see those videos to understand the concept. Anyway, now I'll come to the formula. It's a 30-minute parabolic SAR, same setting that I showed you, is crossing below the close, because you know that when it crosses below, it's a bullish sign, the close. When it crosses above, it's a bearish sign, the candle. You know about that. Now, since this is a higher high tool, I have introduced the MACD histogram. It should be greater than number zero. Okay, so this is the day. You're working on three time periods here. Number one is the 30-minute parabolic SAR. Okay, here I've done the 1 hour. It's 30 minutes. Sorry. Okay, and you're doing the latest 1 day MACD histogram greater than number zero. Okay, so let's do a back test in the early morning. Now, this is a day trading, so whatever has come at the end of the day, these are not tradable stocks unless the signals continue on the next day, continue tomorrow, that is. Okay, so at 9:15 this morning, based on these formulas, these two formulas that I showed you, we got all these things. We got large cap HDFC. There's a backtesting thing, and BHEL, GHCL. Now, of these, don't work with the small caps. Work with the large caps and the mid caps. Okay, so this RAIN and GHCL and all, I'm not going to work with. Okay, we are looking at a 80% success chance. Okay, I've got Thermax with me. I've got Grasim. Okay, I've got Bell and I've got HDFC. Of these four stocks, Grasim did not work. The rest three, the other three worked. Okay, you can backtest it yourself. You can go to charting, create a scanner, and you can always go to any. This is a 915 bar. I've used this 915 bar. Okay, you can go to any bar and check. Just click on the bar at 9:45. What happened? Okay, it will give you some this. You will keep on getting different stocks throughout the day, so you can keep picking stocks using this, right? So here again, I would look at MFSL, I would look at Coromandel, I would look at IDBI, I wouldn't look at BST and Reddington, right? Now we are working on this is a HDFC thing. We are working on the day MACD histogram. We are working on 30-minute parabolic SAR, and finally the entry is when the high crosses the 15-minute VAP. VAP is the red line out here. Okay, that's your entry. I got HDFC. HDFC it gave you first thing in the morning. Even Thermax, I think Thermax was did well today, if I recall. Let's check. Yeah, see, this is 27th at 3:15. This is today at 9:30. 9:30 candle. Look, it crossed the VAP here, 7:31. It went on to do 766. So, well, you backtest. I've given you the formula. You backtest. You apply it. Now, these are choppy days. That's why I've taken these formulas. Now, for example, if it's a trend day, I won't do a latest histogram. I will do a 1 hour 1 hour. I will check the 1 hour histogram being more than zero, right? Or if it's a tremendously bullish day, I will make this 15 minutes and I'll make this 30 minutes, right? Alternatively, instead of using the MACD histogram, I can also use the Ichimoku. The latest high crossed over the Ichimoku conversion line. You have seen my Ichimoku videos. Okay, so this is the formula for day trading. You can try it out. These are end of day results. You can track them if you like, but do not act on them. you need a live scanner in the market. So go for it, try it. If you have any questions, ask me. And thanks for viewing this. Bye.